Today we will see some misconceptions and errors related to pictographs. Misconception 1. The following pictograph shows the information regarding the student's favorite colors. Answer the following questions based on this information. 1. How many students like red color? Some children do not see the value of the symbol given in the pictograph or ignore it. They do not understand its importance. To find out how many students like red color, children count the number of symbols shown in the row of red color. Here, 5 symbols are shown, so they think that 5 children like red color. Therefore, they give the answer to the question as option 1, which is an incorrect answer. In this pictograph, we are given the value of the symbol O is equal to 4 students. That is, whenever we see an O, we will consider it as 4 students. Like, in the row of red color, we see the symbol O 5 times. So the number of students will be 5 multiplied by the value of one symbol is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. Hence, red color is the favorite of 20 students. So, the correct answer is option 2. Question 2. How many students like green color? Children are not able to interpret this half symbol C in the green row of the pictograph. Some children ignore it, thinking it to be a printing mistake, which leads them to think that there is only one complete symbol in the green row. So, they get the answer as 4, which is an incorrect answer. Similarly, assuming printing error, some children consider the indicated symbols as 2 complete symbols and think that the students who like green color are 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So, they give the answer to this question as option 3, but this is also an incorrect answer. In this pictograph, we are given the value of a symbol O is equal to 4 students. That is, the value of half of the symbol O will be 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 students. The row of green color has one full symbol O and a half symbol, that is C. Both the symbols together represents 4 students plus 2 students is equal to 6 students. Hence, option 2 is the correct answer. Now, let's understand the errors made while drawing a pictograph. Question: the number of times a particular score was obtained while playing a game is represented in the following table. Represent this information in a pictograph. From the given information, a child made the following pictograph. Is there any error in this? Stop the video and think. Let me explain. Error 1. Some children forget to write the headings of the column while drawing the pictograph. Because the headings are not given, what information the pictograph represents is not known. Here, we can write the heading of the first column as score and the heading of the second column as count. This tells us that this is a pictograph to represent how many times a particular score was achieved in the game of dice. Error 2. Some children choose a symbol, assign a value to it, and create a pictograph. But they do not show the value of the symbol on the pictograph. This makes it difficult to read the pictograph. Therefore, it is necessary to indicate the value of the symbol on the pictograph. Error 3. Here, all the numbers are multiples of 4. Suppose we use this symbol. Think we had to represent 11, then we would have difficulty in representing 11 correctly with this symbol. So, we should always use simple symbols. For example, if we use this symbol, then we can easily represent 11 in this way. Today we saw some misconceptions and errors related to pictographs.